So let's
The beam
start
of
this topic,
particle.
that is ray optics and optical instrument. And first question is, what is light? Yes, anyone?
A beam of particles coming from an energy source.
Okay. So see, can I write like this? First one, light is an electromagnetic wave. See what I am writing the definition. Light is an electromagnetic wave and it consists of pairing. It consists of pairing electric and magnetic field. Electric and magnetic fields. Okay, this is my first answer. Or even I can write like this also. Second point, listen carefully. Whatever I am giving the definition of lights. So first definition is what? The light is an electromagnetic wave. It consists of varying electric and magnetic fields. Means in this electric and magnetic field combined is there, and which is varying, means not fixed value. It is changing always. Next one, light is a form of radiant energy. Light is a form of radiant energy, because it is radiating from the sun. That is energy emitted by excited atoms. That is energy emitted by excited atoms or molecules which can cause the sensation of vision, which can cause the sensation of vision in a normal human eye. In a normal human eye. You can write with me only. That will be time saving for you. Okay. So this is what our another definition. Light is a form of radiant energy, that is energy emitted by excited atoms or molecules which can cause the sensation of vision in a normal human eye. Yes, no. If light is not there, we cannot see anything. Yes, no. If light is not there, can we see anything? No. We can't see anything, right? Yes. So this is what light. So light is an electromagnetic wave. It consists of varying electric and magnetic fields. This finish? No. Right? And next one. What are the properties of light? Okay. What are the properties of light? Can you say any one property? Yes. Can anyone say properties of light? Anyone which you know? Yes. Short wavelength, reflection and refraction. Okay. Next,
Speed.
scattering, speed. Okay, very good. So see, properties of light, in that, what I can write? See, first one, can I write like this? Speed. Now only you said speed of light. How much it is? Tell me, speed is equal to how much?
Sir, 227.
Speed is equal to 227. Speed is how much? 3 into
8 meter per second.
10 to the power
5.
5 8.
8.
3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, speed I understood. And that is what generally we are creating in vacuum. Where it is? In vacuum. Okay. Second point, another property of light. What is another property we will say? See, it carries energy and momentum. What it carries? It carries energy and momentum. Okay, understood. It carries energy and momentum. Next point, next property of light. See, phi is equal to F lambda. You know, phi is equal to F lambda. It is applicable. Is applicable. Why? Because it is having wavelength. Yes, it is having wavelength and also frequency. That's why velocity, if you want, we can find out by using this formula. P is equal to F lambda. Okay, next one. As you said now, what you said? Reflection and refraction, hai na? So see, in reflection, it suffers no change in frequency. It suffers no change in frequency. No change in frequency. Comma, speed as well as wavelength. Keep it in mind. If light is reflecting, what is not changing? Frequency, speed, and wavelength. Frequency, speed, and wavelength remains unchanged in reflection. Also, in reflection and refraction, what remains unchanged? This is also another point. Frequency of light remains unchanged. In reflection and refraction. Sir, will you please elaborate? Yes, reflection and refraction. So first you understood this. Let me go to the next page. Then I will show you with the diagrams. So can I go to the next page if you have finished this?
1
Yes,
minute, sir.
Okay. You can write with me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yes, everyone finished?
Done, sir.
Okay. Let's go to the next page. Now see, whatever I have written the 2 points about the light, what is the meaning of that? See now, this is the suppose interface, and this is a smooth surface, whereas I am taking another surface where light refracts or refraction takes place. Okay. So I am taking like this surface for refraction. This is for refraction, and this is for reflection. So see, this is I am coating silvered surface, we can say. And now light falls. Okay, see here. This light comes here and reflects back in this direction. Light comes like this and reflects in this direction. So this is what your normal. You can see this is the normal, and obviously this is what angle I, yes, and this is angle R. So this is which ray? This is which ray? Incident ray. Okay, understood. Incident light, we can say. Incident light. And it is having, let us suppose velocity, let us take it as a V, frequency F, and wavelength lambda. This is what incident light. And now when this is a reflected light here, this is reflected light I am writing here. So in this also, what happens? Reflected light will have same velocity, frequency, and wavelength. Understand? So when light is reflecting, doesn't change, means it frequency or wavelength or velocity will not change at all. Understood, everyone? Please tell me. Yes. So this is what our reflection. You can draw this diagram. This is what reflection. Okay, sir, understood. Next, here it is refraction. Now refraction is what? See, in refraction again, this is suppose incident light, and assuming that this is a denser medium, so this is normal drawn, and here light bends little towards the normal line. So here it is incident light, and this is refracted light or refracted ray, we can say, whatever it is, refracted light. So whatever, this is angle of refraction and this is angle of incidence. But here, if suppose your velocity is V, frequency V1 lete hai na, V1, frequency will remain F only, and this is lambda 1. But when it is refracting, your frequency as well as velocity is V2, frequency remains same, as well as this wavelength is also changing. So what is constant? See here, what is constant? F is going to be constant. F is constant. Here also you see, here also you see, that is F only. F is going to be constant. And therefore, in refraction, frequency remains same. Frequency remains same. Therefore, frequency remains same in reflection and refraction, or as well as refraction also you can write. Understood? Is that clear? Any doubt?
Yes.
Okay, understood. Okay, Amog understood. Kaustubh, Ishan.
Understood,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, good. Okay, so finish, noted this part.
No, sir.
Do it fast. Okay, finish.
Done, sir.
Sir, once again explain why frequency remains same, sir. That is property of light ray. Property of light, frequency always remains same. Why? Because if you will see, phi is equal to f lambda, f is equal to v by lambda. If this and this is changing, definitely the ratio will going to be constant only in every case. Okay, so that's why this v2 and lambda 2 changing, frequency will not change. Why? Because light is having wave nature if we will consider. So what happens if its wavelength will change now little bit like this, its velocity will also affect, but number of waves per unit time remains same only, because the product of this or ratio of this velocity and wavelength should come always constant. Okay, right. Next one, let's move ahead. Because as medium changes, no, its speed also changes, velocity है ना, light velocity, it is not constant everywhere. Okay, next is what is optics, because as we are learning this chapter, so what is the optics? Next question, what is optics? What is optics? Ray optics is the chapter name, no, but what is optics, that we are going to learn now. So what is optics? Yes, optics means the branch of physics which deals with all the phenomena regarding with light. Okay, so what is the answer for this? Branch of physics, branch of physics branch of physics which deals with phenomena concerning light. तो सारे जो phenomena है जो लाइट की वजह से होते हैं ना, उसका जो स्टडी हम करते हैं वो किसमें करते हैं? ऑप्टिक्स में. Now how many branches are there for this optic? See, branches of optics, branches of optics. You can see here I am writing the branches of optics and what are those. First one is geometrical optics. First one is what? Geometrical optics. Geometrical optics. And second one is physical optics. Second branch is what? Physical optics. So what is the difference between these two? Geometrical optics is what? So in geometrical optics, study of light, where we consider light travels in the form of ray. Light travels in the form of ray. Obviously, straight line, है ना? Light travels in a straight line. Understand everyone? What is the geometrical optics? Next one, physical optics. In this, what we are going to learn, study of theories regarding nature of light. In this physical optics, what we will study? All the theories, okay? Study of theories regarding nature of light. Nature of light. Okay. Next one. In this geometrical optics, we will learn only reflection and refraction. Reflection and refraction. In this, we will learn all the phenomena related with light, explanation of all the phenomena in light, जैसे कि for example reflection, refraction, refraction, interference, diffraction. All this we will study in this. Interference, diffraction, interference, diffraction. Next one, polarization and rectilinear propagation. Polarization and rectilinear. Rectilinear मतलब क्या? study of light when it is traveling in a straight line, rectilinear propagation. All we will study, okay? Propagation, rectilinear propagation. In this, we will study images only, study of images. Study of images. Where in geometrical optics. To understand in physical optics and in a geometrical optics, what we are going to learn. Okay, any doubt? See, in this geometrical optics, study of light, where we consider it travels in a form of ray, that is in a straight line. And in this physical optics, we are studying light as a, or theories of light, we can say. Okay, note down this. Okay, any other doubt? Yes. V and lambda change in such a way that F is constant. Yes, right. When we will go ahead, no, again, I will tell you in a deep, this is just introduction. When the refraction and reflection will come, no, that time again, I will tell you how it is changing. Okay, don't worry. Any other doubt? Yes. Okay. So maintain separate book, and this is the ray optics, biggest chapter. Start writing notes. Those who have missed, again, YouTube link I am providing. Don't worry. If you have some network problem or whatever, you can watch it again. I will share YouTube link also. Okay, tomorrow also at the same time, and today itself, write down the today's note. Today's work, finish it today only. Okay, so let's stop here for today because it is going to end now. Again, tomorrow we will continue. Just read once. Okay, this first class, no, just read once whatever we have finished. Go through it just. Okay. Okay, bye.